So, good morning.
Morning.
And where are we?
We're at Valdres Golf Club today, and we've just woken up in the car park and we had a lovely view over the first tee, so that was good for some entertainment last night. And as you can see behind me, the course looks incredible, so we're really excited to play. And the ninth is a par 6. It's the first time I've ever played a par 6.
The first hole. Oh, what a beautiful shot. Oh, good effort. So, played 4 holes so far. You've been playing superbly. It's beautiful. I think we've just lost the sunshine a little bit. It was glorious first thing, but it's still a absolutely stunning little course. Really well maintained as well, isn't it?
Yeah, really well maintained. And very well signposted as well. Yeah, the sun's out for the back 9. Just amazing view, especially with the sunshine out now. Lovely.
So we decided to play the 18th of the back teed. It's 688 metres or 752 yards and a half.
And the longest par 6 in Northern Europe.
Yeah, par 6, wow. Good morning.
Morning.
And after yesterday's craziness on the bikes, we decided to do something a bit more quieter and cultural. So where are we?
We're at the Hallingsdal Museum in Nesbyen, which is one of the oldest museums in Norway, founded in the late 1800s. And it's an outdoor museum, and there are lots of buildings that show that or depict the life throughout the ages in Norway. It's really quite interesting seeing, and the houses are actually lovely inside, obviously all made out of wood, but quite homely and cosy. This is a shoemaker's workshop.
Spectacular views here in this ski resort. Beautiful, isn't it?
Stunning.
Absolute fabulous setting here. Must be quite a short season for growing because it's in a ski resort, so we're about 1,000 metres up. This is where we came cycling through the other day when we did this crazy single track. I didn't have any footage of that because that was a bit too crazy to film. But yeah, what a setting. Just below the ski runs. Surrounded by hills and mountains and trees. Where are we?
In Norway.
High up in the mountains here. We're about 1,000 metres up.
On the edge of the Hardangervidda National Park.
Along a reservoir toll road, gravel toll road. It's just wild and windy and beautiful. What a landscape!
Really wild.
What a contrast in weather over the yesterday today. It's today sunshine, no wind. Yesterday blowing a hoolie and cold and wet. Absolutely incredible. Warm, hot, sunny, smell of the forest. Can't beat it. Bit of a climb. We're finally out the trees. Probably up around 1,000 metres up. It's opened up now beautifully from the Hardangervidda. And 3-4 weeks ago when we first arrived and went through the other side of the Hardangervidda, there was a lot of snow, a lot of ice, lakes partially frozen, so it's really changed in the last month. There's the odd tiny little bit of snow, but not really anything left. So seeing it quite different, greened up quite a lot, spectacular still. So good morning.
Good morning.
And what a day it is.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
And where are we?
We're at the top of the Tudalsvegen pass, above the ski resort, and just looking down on all the mountains and the lakes, and it's just stunning. It really is.